Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by isolating the system. Shut the water and open a faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, apply penetrating oil around the nut and ring to loosen corrosion. Let it soak a few minutes. Now position a backup wrench on the fitting body and a second wrench on the compression nut. Hold the body steady so you don't twist fittings downstream. Make sure to mark orientation so reassembly aligns the same way, and prepare to cut if the nut won't budge. You now focus on freeing the nut and ferrule. Turn the compression nut counterclockwise while holding the fitting body with the backup wrench to avoid twisting the pipe. If the nut is seized, use a nut splitter or carefully score and cut the nut to avoid damaging the pipe. Once weakened, pry it open. Next, slide or pry out the ferrule. Use a ferrule puller or a small flat chisel to lever it off. Make sure to inspect the pipe for nicks once the ferrule is removed. You finish by deburring and cleaning the copper pipe end. Remove any sharp edges and corrosion so the new ferrule seats well. Once clean, fit the new ferrule and nut, hand start the threads, then tighten while holding the fitting body. Avoid over-torquing. After repressurizing, check for leaks and tighten slightly if needed. If you still see seepage, replace the ferrule and nut or cut back a small section of pipe and repeat. This typically solves poor seating or damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.